What's going on YouTube? Cr250 here. Another short video on my new bikes. It's been a while since I've been on here. I had a son. He's about 8 months now. And I got rid of the 200X. Got myself an 84 250R and I ended up trading that thing for a nice Cr500 01 model. Fucking thing's clean. Motor's been ported, bored 30 over. It's got a taller seat on it. A couple small things. I'll make another video on that later on, but today we're gonna focus right on the 02 Cr250 I got after I sold my 14 250F. This bike was all stock, and I've been putting a ton of money and work into it. Did the Polysport restyle kit, seat cover, foot pegs, steel braided brake lines, red, new bars, graphics, wheels, just a bunch of goodies. Get it ready for the race season, polish the frame up and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to race it. She's a pretty bike. I'm a two-stroke guy, so that's how that is. But it's actually my birthday, February 10th, 2020. 24 years old, and my girlfriend got me a good old birthday present. So I'm gonna make a quick video on the sound difference of pro circuit versus stock. So I got the stock header on there. Pro circuit platinum. Super psyched about that. And the bike's already got a R304 shorty on it. I'll take it out in the light, get a better look at it. But yep, here's the pipe, brand new, right in the packaging. So super psyched about that. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna do a startup of it with the stock pipe and then the pro circuit pipe, both with the R304 shorty silencer. So here we are, going to do a startup of the stock pipe and see what the sound comparison's like. Let me remind you, it's about 35 degrees here in central New York. So hopefully she runs. Always take out your butt plug. Well, we're gonna have to get her off the stand. Shake her up a little bit. I'll do a quick startup without you guys. stock pipe. And about 10 minutes or so, we're gonna put on the wet one and we'll start up with that. Here she is. Nice. So stay tuned, guys. My stock one's dented a little bit. Not too bad, but it's got a weld right over here. A couple more dents. And there's the R304. Can't really see it because I can't put the flash on, but there she is. Alright, YouTube, so the O2 pipe, the stock one, I'm going to show you right here. The spring holes lined up a little bit different. That's an 03 to 04 closed circuit pipe. And the exhaust flange is a little longer on the 03, so it worked out nice. It's solid, it's tight, everything else lined up, all the clamps. So we're going to do a little startup and see what it sounds like.